So for courses, you can create your course here. So this is where you create your memberships. Okay, we have courses, bundles, and students. Let's go ahead and create a new course. When you click here, you have all the information about the courses. I'm going to have a specific video just for this, but I will still want to overview all this stuff. So the course title is going to be how the course is going to be named. So test course. Instructor name can be Pedro. Language here is important because if you are constantly changing this, sometimes when people go to their student dashboard, they might see different courses depending on the language that they see here. So if they change the language here, they might see different courses. Okay, so you do want to have that in mind. Let's go back to courses. Okay, so now here, English. Now you share the description of the course domain, you just change it to a cool domain, and then you add test. Okay, now the theme is basically, it gives you these options. It's either a beige, green, purple, teal, black, orange, all these different colors. Just choose one that it fits more your brand, and voila, go with it. For the fonts, you have all the Google fonts here, so you can choose them. For the teacher's photo, I highly recommend adding that. So go ahead and add your picture there. Logo, same thing. Course cover, same thing, so that you have a cover right there. Very, very useful. And then when you have the instructor, you actually know and can see who the instructor is right there. Okay, so yeah, now afterwards you can select the sales page that sells this one. So in this case, it's going to be the first funnel, and you can select the specific order step where it sells this one. Okay, there you go. Now here on the top right corner, you do need to click save. Now this is not a valid one, so course 2, save. Now this is going to be a valid one. As you can see here, is inactive. So if you want to activate it, you go here and do activate. Don't forget to do this. Now let's go ahead and review this. You have view, and you can see exactly how your course looks. Right now, you have no lectures, no picture, just the name of course and the name of the instructor. After that, we have settings. You can change the settings right here anytime you like. Then we have share, if you want to share it, to download it into a specific account. You can go ahead and duplicate it, deactivate, or remove it. Right? If you want to change the course itself, you just click here, and now you add module. First module. This is the first module. If you want to add lessons, you can add lectures right there. Lesson 1. Without any delay, you choose a template that you like. Let's choose this one, and then save. Now here you have your first lesson for the first module. If you want to add more lessons, you can either clone, which is what I do, or add a new lecture and you start from scratch. So once you build your base, then I would go ahead and duplicate. But now you have copy lesson. Go here, settings, change the name to lesson 2. Okay, this is what I usually do. And don't forget to activate them before you clone them, because if you clone all of them, and then you need to reactivate them manually, all of them. Okay, to edit in the lesson specifically, you have these thing, exact same thing, sections, rows, elements. The editor goes the same way, and then you can go ahead and add all those things. I'm going to have a video going more in depth here, so I'm not going to take too much time in this one here. Okay. Now, next thing here is going to be you have your first module, your lessons. If you want to add more modules, you click on that button, add more modules, and then module 2 or second module. And now if you want to add lessons, you click there and you add a lecture. Done. Okay. Very, very simple, and it's really, really fast to build all these things. If you want to add a student manually, you add a student manual right here with the first name, last name, email, access type right there. You can do it manually, no problem. If you want to see how many students you have, you just click here and you see all the students and the progress. If you want to see, go back to courses, click here. If you want to see exactly how the course is looking, there you go. You have first module, you have first lesson. This is how it looks. If you want to go ahead and change the settings, like I mentioned, you can do that. So very, very simple. That's how you do it. If you want to add specific access to digital courses, you do it inside the page that you purchase. So for example, here, digital course, resources, select resource, courses, choose a course, test course, and then save. Okay, so full access. And now save. So now here, they are going to be buying this one, they're going to receive an automatic email. Okay, that's how it works.